Man, that cat is stupid as hell. I can't mess this up. I have to go for it now. Alright, now he's conscious. How much pounds did he eat? Why am I here? Why? Alright, calm down. Calm down? You kidnapped me. I need to do an experiment. Experiment? Wait. Yes, an experiment with you. Melon? Wait, how do you know me? Is that you?